Have you ever realized that when you mix Coca-Cola drink and tomatoes can bring a difference in your life, can change your natural performance, can change your natural energy from zero level to another level which you need? So, tomatoes and Coca-Cola and other ingredients, my dear, trust me, they will help you to improve on your attendance. If you go for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you don't work very well. When you go for the first game, you don't come back for the second round, your performance is not really good. Your natural physical performance is not really good. My dear, you need to try Coca-Cola and tomatoes. This will help you to improve or to give you evidence during your attendance in class. So you just need to know how to make this amazing home remedy from the beginning up the end, and you have to know when to use it and for how long to use it. Remember, I always tell you, this home remedy we use natural ingredients. This video is for educational purpose only, okay? It does not intended to diagnose, treat or cure or to prevent any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. So if you're a person who needs to improve on your blood flow, who needs to be the real man in class, to be a good attendant, to be a good performer, to be like a real person who is ready to fight with the enemy, you need this amazing home remedy. Now we're going to start to mix our ingredients. As you see, I have tomatoes, I have Coca-Cola, okay? These are our main ingredients, but remember there is other ingredients as you will see in this video. So I'm requesting you to watch the video from the beginning up the end, and don't forget to leave a like to this video, to leave a comment on this video, and of course to subscribe if you have never subscribed to this YouTube channel. Okay, I always tell you this video is for educational purpose only. It does not intended to diagnose, treat or cure or to prevent any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. So I want you to watch the video, and at the end you will see different ingredients besides Coca-Cola and tomatoes. 2 small pieces of tomatoes. If you have the big ones, you can use 1. Right now, since I have small ones, I'm going to use 2 pieces, guys. Make sure that your tomatoes are clean before you proceed. Mine are clean. Yours, make sure that your tomatoes are clean. Trust me, this will help you to increase on your moving, to start going for long distances, since these ingredients are natural. Yes, are natural and they don't have side effects. So just keep watching, guys. We're going to cut our tomato into smaller pieces, as you see, guys. Yes, very interesting home remedy which will improve on your movement. Okay, so this you take it before you go for moving, before you go for your happiness. Remember, tomatoes contain nutrients, minerals, which helps to increase on your blood flow, as you see. Very interesting. Okay, our next ingredient is an orange. Okay, don't expect artificial energy but natural energy, since we are using natural ingredients. Okay, and remember, this orange, you don't remove the outer part. Yes, this is enough. This we don't want. So this you cut it into smaller pieces with its outer parts, guys. As you can see, here we go. If you've been working for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, this will make you to be a real performer, going for good time during the activity, moving very well without stopping. When you stop, you come back immediately, just using simple ingredients which are found in your kitchen, guys. Okay, our next ingredient is ginger. This one comes to cleansing your vessels, increasing blood flow, My dear, this make you to be a real man during the activity, during your performing. So you need a fresh ginger. Make sure that you just a little piece is enough, like this one. Okay, is enough, guys. And remove the outer parts. So cut your ginger into smaller pieces, guys. Okay. Yes. Bring it here, guys, as you can see. I told you we have the major ingredients, tomatoes and Coca-Cola, but we are still proceeding with our preparation. So that's why I'm telling you, watch the video from the beginning up the end, and don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section. This is one of the amazing home remedies which I always upload in this video, which you need to know how to make them at home. This will make you a different person during your attending. From that, we need a blender, as you see, and we are going to transfer all our ingredients in this blender, guys. Okay, in this blender, as you can see. Okay, as you can see, guys, now we need Coca-Cola, guys, without sugar. We need only 5 tablespoons from this, on this bottle, guys. 5 tablespoons. Okay, we're going to measure 5 spoons. This is 1, these are 2, 3, 4, and 5. Remember, we have different types of home remedies. This works immediately, and it means you take it before you go to your class. Okay, before you go to the class, this. Okay, now the next ingredient is, which we need black pepper. Guys, you know black pepper? You're going to look for me black pepper. Okay, this is our black pepper. So you to look for black pepper, guys. You're going to add here black pepper. Okay, add black pepper, as you see. Okay, add black pepper. Yes, trust me, this will make you to be a real performer. Go for 2 hours, 3 hours without stopping. After, we are going to add some water. Don't forget to use cold clean water into your remedy. Cold clean water, guys. So you add some water. This is enough. Okay, so right now we are going to blend this amazing home remedy. Then at the end you'll see how it looks like, and use it, then thank me later, guys. Let us transfer our home remedy. There we go. You're going to add only 1 teaspoon of natural honey. As I told you, this you need it in your house. 1 teaspoon of natural honey. This will make you to be a real man during the game. It will make it stiff, strong, and gingertic. This amazing home remedy, guys. So add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. Okay, so here we go. Then mix very well. Trust me, if you take this, your attendance, your natural performance won't remain the same. This will give you natural energy without stopping. Yes, and I always tell you, this video is for educational purpose only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, or prevent any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. Okay, guys, here we go. As you see, very interesting, but natural energy to give you guys. This is what is going to improve on your blood flow. This glass. This is what is going to give you natural energy. This is what is going to improve on your natural physical performance. Remember, this doesn't have side effects since we have used natural ingredients like tomatoes, ginger, black pepper. These are natural ingredients which are just found in your kitchen. So if you are a person who is not good at performing good in class, being attentive in class, I think this class will make you to be a real person in life, to change you naturally and permanently during the activity in your class. You just need to know that this video is for educational purpose only. It does not intended to diagnose, treat, or to prevent any disease. Results may vary from a person to a person. So, very good, which you need to be a real person in life. So, take 1 glass before you go for your class. Before you meet your teacher, take 1 glass. This will give you natural energy and it will improve on your natural physical performance.